actually was not expecting what I went through whatsoever. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For the ones who don't already know me, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, because my new goal for this year is to reach 10,000 subscribers before the year ends. And I can do this because I believe in you guys, and I know you guys are gonna subscribe, of course, because I mean, like, it's free. Why wouldn't you subscribe? I'm thinking about doing a weight loss challenge every week, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing that, you know, just comment down below. Let me know what challenge I should try next week, because this was kind of fun. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. What you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below and let me know. Sorry. I might have a poll up here, so make sure you guys click on it. And if I don't, I apologize, because I believe YouTube is gonna remove it soon. So yeah, if it's still there, I will put the poll up there. Make sure you guys vote on my next challenge that I'm thinking about doing. So yeah, sorry about the long intro, but let's get into the video. So as you guys seen from the title, I did the 24-hour fruit fast. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can see what I went through. I really had a strong mindset going into this fruit fast. You know what I mean? It's fruit. Who doesn't like fruits? Honestly, like, who doesn't like fruits? I came out annoyed, actually. I added 24 hours, like, what? But yes, I sure did come out annoyed. I don't know, I was just tired. I think I was just frustrated, but you guys are gonna see why I was frustrated, because I recorded the 24 hours. Starting weight was 162.2 pounds. My measurements, which I will put up here somewhere. My waist was 29 inches. My midsection was 34 centimeters. So stay tuned for the results. So now I'm just gonna show you guys my 24-hour fruit fast and what I ate and how it went. So stay tuned to the end, because I'm coming back and I'm gonna tell you guys how it was. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Stay tuned, don't leave, don't click out, okay? Good morning, everyone. So I just wanted to show you guys what I bought yesterday at the store for my 24-hour fast. A melon right here, a cantaloupe, I guess. Zara calls it a melon, that's why I said melon, but yep, a cantaloupe. Got some apple, black grapes. Yeah, this is everything I bought. The cherries, which we're gonna go rinse. Put it right here for now. Rinse these two. And rinse this, grapes. So yeah, got some bananas and the cantaloupe. These are so good. I think for breakfast I'm gonna have some of this with some cherries and grapes and some apples. I don't know, I'm gonna do it like a little fruit tail because I'm starving. So yep, stay tuned. I just rinsed my fruits, all rinsed. Got the cherries all nice and clean. Got the apples all clean. Yep, all clean. Hi guys, so it is 10:36. I'm waiting till 12 o'clock so I can have my first meal. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little quick update. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be drinking a lot of water today. Okay guys, so it's almost 12 o'clock, so I'm just gonna start fixing my fruits. This fruit, this is so good. Like, I'm really enjoying myself right now. I might do this for 2 days. I just got done eating my my fruits. I really didn't like the cantaloupe. I don't know how I felt about that. Yeah, it just didn't taste right. I'm feeling pretty full. I'm gonna drink this whole thing of water and eat when I get hungry again. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is straight. It is 3:40 and it's time to eat because I'm hungry. Like, I'm starving. I'm really tired. I wish I could have some chicken or some, like a hot dog or something, but nope. You know what? And I thought about doing this for 2 days, but I don't think so. Some cherries and grapes with a banana. You know, honestly, I'm really fed up with fruits. I know, and I haven't been doing it for a whole day, but so yeah, I'm just tired of eating fruits, but these cherries are so good right now. Y'all, I'm over this. I'm bored. Like, I want some chicken. I want some bread. I hope this banana. I'm tired. I'm tired of this. I hope this is good. This ain't it either. And to think I was gonna do this for 1 more day, I don't think so. You think, oh, it's gonna be okay because it's fruits, but no, this gets tiring. I better lose at least 2 pounds from this. Y'all hear that? That's how you know it's a good grape, when it makes that sound. I didn't know tomato was a fruit. Siri, is tomato a fruit?
Here's what I found from netstate.com. Botanically, the tomato is considered a fruit, but consumers commonly think of it and use it as a vegetable.
Oh, okay. Now y'all, I'm done. I feel a little nauseous. I don't know why, but I'm about to edit this video real quick. We'll start on it, and then I'm gonna write down my rough draft for what I'm gonna talk about. And then yeah, I'll see you guys when I get hungry again, and then we're gonna eat fruits. Yay! Just having a little snack. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did the 24-hour fast. I was actually getting a little tired of fruits. I think I was very excited about my cantaloupe, and it just came out disgusting. It was just not it. I wanted it to be sweet. It was just like dry, kinda, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna tell you guys my side effects and everything that came with it. Every time I ate the fruits, I will feel full, and then maybe like an hour later I will feel hungry again. Only fill me up for just an hour. I was constantly peeing, like constantly using the restroom to go pee. Also, I was constantly farting non-stop. I don't know why. I believe it's because I had all those cherries. I ate that whole bag of cherries, by the way. I'm gonna put the screenshot up here because late at night I had to do some research, like why the heck am I farting so much? That don't make no freaking sense. So look, the screenshot will be up here so y'all can see I'm not lying. I was really farting. I was going through it. Another thing is that I was using the restroom, going number 2, a lot. And this is really a cleanse. This is, I don't know if it's the cherries. I believe it was the cherries because when I did some research they said cherries can make you do that. So if you want that and you want the results I did, make sure you get a bag of cherries and you eat that whole thing of cherries, okay? So, and I was also getting off and on stomach aches, you know, roughly at least like 3-4 times that day. Let's get into my results. My waist went down a whole inch. My waist was 28 inches. My midsection was 33 centimeters. You can actually tell in the before and after picture that, you know, I'm obviously less bloated. Also, I lost 2 pounds. That's crazy though, because like 2 pounds, like what the heck? I will most definitely do this whole challenge again, but get like different fruits. Of course I'm gonna get the cherries because the cherries helped a lot. But yes, I'm thinking about doing maybe like watermelon, and I don't know, I wasn't feeling the bananas unless they're like really like not rotten, but like, you know, brown with the dark spots. Yeah, that was my 24-hour fruit fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And make sure you guys go vote on my next challenge. It will be up here if it's still up. Like I told you guys, YouTube might remove it. I don't know. I was reading something about it, so we'll see. But the new challenge poll will be up here, so make sure you guys go click on it. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below the challenge ideas you guys want me to do next. Share it with your friends and families and say, hey girl, let's do this challenge or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe because I post videos every week. And make sure you like, it's free. Make sure you subscribe, it's free. Make sure you comment because it's free. All right, bye guys.